I just bought cupcakes for my roommates from Love. We'll see how they taste. I'll show you what they look like when I get home. And I got a baguette from Paul. I successfully went to the police station today and I registered. I had to pay £35. Yay. More money spent. Crap, I need to cross the road. There's Starbucks across the road and I've been telling myself to get a cup of coffee for days now. Maybe this is a sign that I shouldn't go get one if I really want one. I'll probably cross the road and get one. Starbucks is right there, behind that truck. Actually, I'm so tempted. Okay, here we go. Starbucks. Okay, I'll come back out in a minute. I just got my triple, so I caramel macchiato. And now I'm walking home again. But I need to stop at the grocery store first. Another cupcake store. Doesn't it look beautiful? It's organic, gluten, and wheat-free cupcakes. So I bought a bit more groceries. Got bacon for breakfast. So always here for breakfast. Ham. Digestive, because I realized I seriously get the munchies. Pasta. Pesto. Focus. And eggs. We're at the Bluebird store. It's like a fashion store with a bit of everything. Such a cute dress, skirt, sorry, skirt. This is a MM6. And it's beautiful here. Look how cool this is. Light bulbs everywhere. Not all of them are lit, but it still makes every single one of them glow. I think this chair is very cool. So is this one. I bought a picnic hamper so that we can go on a picnic. Versace Gallery. My friend has to go take some pictures for his portfolio, so I decided to go with him. It's gallery number 7. Beautiful. It's very intricate. I love the plate paint splatter effect. It's kind of creepy. It's like he's staring at you. It's like stuck in the mud-ish. I love this piece. I'm not sure if you can see the details, but they're like crystals. Blue crystals. They're bright blue. So nice. So we're at dinner right now. It's super early dinner. It's like 6. It's such a nice place. There's like upstairs, which is where we're sitting, and downstairs. So you have to climb up those steps to come up here. It's really cool. It's a nice Italian place. Menu. I'm getting a Fricasne di Pollo. This place is called Buonasera on Kings Road. So you want to come? Yeah. This is our dinner. What is this? The bruschetta. That's his squid something salad. This is my
cuttlefish.
Okay, cuttlefish. Squid cuttlefish.
Get it right.
Is that avocado?
Avocado.
Oh my god, I love.
Wow, it's so fresh.
This looks so good. This is my chicken breast button mushroom thing with mashed potato. Yeah. Lovely. Oh, and it looks like a... And this is our dessert of apple crumble with actual proper apples
and crumble.
With our vanilla ice.
It has almond. You okay with it?
Yeah, I love almonds.